Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you Vicks VapoShower Soothing Vapors. So these are awesome. I love them so much. I really like Vicks in general. Smell is just so soothing whenever you're stuffy or sick, and this is no exception. So what you do is you take this little tablet right here and you stick it in the corner of your shower where the steam can hit it, maybe a little bit of water, but it lets off the Vicks scent. And it is great. So we basically steam out the bathroom when we use these. And my kids just stay in this. They just stay in the steam for a little while just for the smell. But I'm going to show you what this looks like. So this is where I place it in my shower, just barely, as you can see, touching the water. And it releases the steam that is amazing, sick or not sick. I just love it. And I highly recommend this product. But that is just my point of view.